So, you want to learn how to make a stop-motion film, huh? Well, you're in luck, because I'm here to teach you just that. Now let's get started. First, we're going to need a phone camera with the Stop Motion Studio app. Perfect. Next, we're going to need a mini clip to act out in our video. Where am I? We need our background like so. And now it's time for the pictures. First, you're going to have to press this red button on the screen. And now we do it so many times until we get a scene. Now let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. That was pretty good. I didn't even have to use this guy's lightsaber. Oh my god, my arm! My arm! Hey, how about instead of kidnapping people to be part of your video, you just ask them nicely? Huh. Well, let's see where this goes. That was pretty good. Like your mom last night. Ah!